Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you a strategy to get high score in Block Blast. So if you're looking to boost your scores and dominate the leaderboard, you are in the right place. Let's explore some essential tips and tricks to maximize your performance. Before diving into strategies, it's crucial to understand how the game works. Block Blast is about clearing blocks by matching colors. One of the most effective ways to score big is by creating combos. Aim to clear multiple groups of blocks in succession. The larger the combo, the more points you earn. Look for opportunities to connect different colors and create chain reactions. Now, use power-ups wisely. Power-ups can significantly increase your score. Use them strategically rather than immediately. For instance, save a power-up bomb for when you have a dense cluster of blocks to maximize your impact. Another strategy is plan your moves. You should take your time to plan each move, analyze the board and consider the potential outcomes. By thinking ahead, you can set up bigger plays and avoid dead ends that limit your score. Another strategy is target high value blocks. Always prioritize clearing high value blocks. Focus on the blocks that contribute to your level goals while also keeping an eye on the score multiplier. This will help you clear objectives while maximizing your points. Now we are going to talk about level specific strategies. Each level may have unique objectives. Adapt your strategy accordingly. Whether it's clearing a specific color or reaching a certain score, tailor your approach to the requirements of the level. Lastly, remember to enjoy the game. Staying calm helps you think more clearly and make better decisions, leading to higher scores. With these strategies, you're well equipped to tackle Block Blast and achieve those high scores. Practice makes perfect. So keep playing and refining your techniques. If you found these tips helpful, please like and subscribe for more gaming strategies and share your high scores in the comments below.
Let's see who can reach the top.